We're actually going through a huge change right now on the technology side. We are looking for ways to consolidate our delivery process for our assets to make things more efficient, more streamlined. So in addition to implementing WideOrbit program, we're also implementing a work order management system and a new Mammon automation system that play very well together and are going to be highly integrated so that our processes are more standardized, more automated, less risk, and then we can get to the consumer faster. We also are utilizing multiple products to achieve fluidity on the sales side so that we can combine the linear and non-linear deals into one. There are still some challenges with that because of the ability to track delivery for those deals and invoice those deals in a singular manner, but I think we're moving towards that, that area where we can do things across the linear and nonlinear platforms in a singular way.
So that's clearly important for you guys as a business. What about, I mean, the way that you operate, what about the buy side and for advertisers? What does automation or this sort of platform bring to them that's valuable to them?
The ability to do a single buy across multiple platforms, I think makes things a little more, they make them more easy for the buyers to go to one place. But on the sales side, that also has to, you have to be able to accommodate that as well. So, you know, being able to go to one person for a linear and non-linear deal and getting that done in one place as opposed to fracturing it so that you're looking at things in one way and being able to move products across the platforms, I think also lends to that.
Can you talk about sort of, you know, the opportunities in terms of inventory and how that's changed both through the platforms and what that might mean for advertisers?
Well, I think on the linear side, things are pretty much still status quo. You know, you have your 15s and your 30s and maybe your 60s, but being able to add in the digital platforms and being able to offer additional impressions on that level, I think broadens the scope of what the buyers can achieve with their plans with AMC Networks. I think across the industry, everybody's trying to fight for a space with regards to content. So, you know, I think that's where things are gonna move towards in the future, is who can capture the audience best with the content that they have. And across the board, you know, all of the media companies are buying up different OTT or releasing different OTT platforms to capture that piece of the viewer audience. So I think, to me, it's how are you providing content to the viewer that's going to keep them tuning into your content as opposed to somebody else's. How do you get that piece of the pie? So it's, you know, fighting with the Netflixes and the Hulus of the world and Amazons, and getting your share of the pie there.